The bi-level foot set is a set of 2 presser feet specially designed to sew on uneven surfaces, great for sewing quilt bindings, hems, braids, and more. There is a left bi-level foot and a right bi-level foot for sewing along left and right edges. The underside of the bi-level foot reveals what makes them so special. The foot has a hollowed out ridge, allowing the thicker level to pass under the foot and right up against the wall along the edge of the foot. This wall guides the raised surface so that your stitching is always an even distance from the edge. The bi-level foot is most suitable for heavier weight fabrics such as denim, wool, gabardine, leather, suede, etc., though you can use it with any instance where there is at least an 1/8 of an inch difference in height between 2 levels, such as when sewing on braids or belt loops. For thinner fabrics and stitching along an edge, you will want to use the edge stitch foot. The bi-level feet have a 9mm stitch width opening. This allows you to move your needle position to any of the various positions your sewing machine has, making it possible to sew right on the edge of the fabric to approximately 3/8 of an inch from the edge, depending on your machine. You can also use other utility stitches such as overlock stitches with the bi-level foot. And yes, you can even use most decorative stitches as well for adding some fun to your top stitching. Because of the uneven sole of the bi-level foot, attaching them is a little different from most presser feet. It will sit crooked on the needle plate, not allowing the snap-on shank to come down evenly to snap into the foot. To make it easier to attach, place a piece of fabric or trim under the shallow section of the foot to level it, and then lower the presser bar to snap on the foot. The bi-level presser foot set can be used on all brands of sewing machines. Some machines need the appropriate adapter to attach. See the compatibility details in your machine brands category on our website. The bi-level foot was mostly invented for evenly top stitching along seams in thick fabrics. Here on this denim, we were able to sew a perfectly even top stitch along a traditionally sewn seam. This gives the look of a true flat felled seam. Sew once with the needle in the furthest position away from the seam, and a second time with the needle stitching right along the fold. Professional results every time. For hemming jeans without ever breaking a needle, you will also want to try the Magic Jeans Hemming Foot, available exclusively from the colorfulworldofsewing.com. Check for it under your sewing machine's brand category. You would never be able to do such even top stitching on a pocket on this very heavy wool fabric without the bi-level foot. Even around curves and corners, the wall of the underside of the presser foot keeps the pocket edge equidistant, used for top stitching the seams as well as the lapels and sewing the hems. Quilt bindings can be tricky to stitch evenly along the edge. The left edge bi-level foot makes the final step in your quilt effortless. We used strips of fusible web to base this binding in place to make the sewing process even easier. No pins to stab yourself with and no bulky clips to contend with. Move the needle position to the distance you like from the edge of the binding and stitch. The left edge bi-level foot is also suitable for sewing top stitched hems. Press up the hem allowance, move your needle position to sew along the top of the hem, and sew. Straps and webbing are more times where the stitching has to be absolutely consistent from the edge to avoid the homemade look. The bi-level foot rides perfectly along the edge every time. Depending on the situation, you can sew the entire strap with either foot, provided you can turn your work around. For those times where you can't turn your work around, just switch out the feet for sewing each side. Sewing tubes and belt loops can be difficult because the piece is so narrow it's hard to guide it under the standard zigzag foot. The bi-level foot allows you to sew almost hands-free. The wall on the underside of the foot allows the tube or belt loop to run right along it for perfectly even stitching. Uneven stitching is so noticeable when it's uneven on such a narrow area. Sewing Velcro has always been challenging, especially the hook side because of its stiffness. The negative cut in the sole of the bi-level foot allows the Velcro strip to pass under the foot effortlessly, making for even stitching that you just can't do with a standard zigzag foot. You can also use other utility stitches when sewing with the bi-level presser foot. On this terry cloth we are sewing a lapped seam using an overlock stitch. Lap the seams in the traditional manner and sew with the overlock stitch encasing the upper edge. When finished, on the underside, if necessary, trim any excess fabric along the stitching line. For utilitarian fabrics like terry cloth, this gives you a strong, ravel-proof, and bulk-free seam, all aided by the bi-level presser foot. Have some fun and use decorative stitches to top stitch your next sewing project. Most decorative stitches work well with the bi-level presser feet. A simple decorative stitch turns any sewing project into a designer original that truly makes a special statement. The bi-level presser foot set is a set of presser feet every sewer needs. From garment sewing, quilting, home deck sewing, and crafting, all genres have bulky edges that need perfectly even top stitching. The bi-level foot set will make your top stitching easier than ever. The bi-level presser foot set is available for all brands of sewing machines. Check your machine's category in our store for compatibility information and necessary adapters. Available from thecolorfulworldofsewing.com.